This is a quick tutorial on how to set up and link your smartphone with Mercedes Me. After you've downloaded the app, open it up and tap to register. Enter account information and we'll email you a confirmation. Click the link to confirm your identity. Now create a password. And then you're in. Continue to the app and set up your passcode or your fingerprint for security purposes. Add in your vehicle identification number located on your windshield or inside your driver's side door. Scan or enter it here. Next, let's double-check that you are the owner. Enter in the last name associated to the vehicle. Now, let's make sure your connected car features, powered by Embrace, are activated and linked to your Mercedes Me account. If you haven't set up your 5-year complimentary Embrace Connect services yet, press the Info button in your vehicle. You'll receive an account number and PIN to then link to Mercedes Me. Once done, confirm your identity by entering in your temporary identification code sent to you by email or text message. Finally, set or confirm your preferred dealer. And that's it. You're all set up and ready to experience all that Mercedes Me has to offer. Welcome to the Mercedes Me family and enjoy the ride.